All right, this is how to install an exhaust on a BMW 440i.
You take a cutting torch.
Oh,
Somebody's here.
Rue's going wild.
Stick them. So you take a cutting torch, you cut the old stuff off, take some JB Weld, slap it on the new stuff, shove it in there, let it sit for 24 hours. Then you're ready to go.
Good to go. You go throw that one in the trash.
Yep.
Don't need that where we're going.
No. No. And we put a, you know what we did? We put a cat one back in it.
More parts.
I assume it's a black market part.
Oh.
Did we get a port rail for Bray? That's probably what this is.
I don't know.
I think we're adding a port rail on the 340.
Okay.
That's it. So yeah.
Yep. So we got our JB welded in there. She's not coming back off.
How long are we going with it? Or is that actually what you did?
Yeah, it's JB welded in there.
Oh, why?
The entire thing. The downpipe.
Oh, instead of gaskets?
Yeah.
This is going on the other one.
There's no
On the
there's
unplugged.
no V-band or anything.
Really?
It's just JB weld.
Oh my god.
What are you?
Yeah, that V-band is for looks that up there. Yeah. It's not actually doing anything. I just have to look like we did it correctly.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
You know, in my head, this was gonna be like a decent how-to, but I think everyone's confused.
Yeah, and then the other thing I learned, you know, we've had problems with O2 sensors backing out. So, little JB weld on those, don't come back out.
Impact.
Yep. Like 1/2 inch adapter to 3/8 to O2 socket. And you like, yeah, 3 foot long cheater bar on the end of that. You start, right before you hear it crack, you stop.
I'm pretty sure that's what Matt did on the M5.
Probably.
Oh my gosh. Wait, so it shouldn't sound too much different with a stock exhaust all the way back.
No. And there won't be any exhaust leaks because it's JB weld.
Picking right back up.
So, I think it'll be good.
Yeah.
We'll find out.
Do we know what brand?
Active.
Oh, Active
Autowerks?
Autowerks?
Yeah, Active Autowerks.
How to install an Active
Autowerks.
Autowerks downpipe on a BMW 440i.
Yep.
Bucket of JB Weld.
JB weld, blowtorch, hammer, pry bar, cut off wheel, and there you go. Step by step. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to
Sound
follow
We'll
more
do a
step
sound
by
clip.
steps,
Yep.
come watch us. But at the end of the video, we'll have this little sound clip going for y'all. You know, it'll sound real good. How does that look?
Yeah, you're good.
I don't want to get it too tight because I need to tighten these 13s so that the whole downpipe can rotate a little bit. But I don't want it to come back off. So.
You don't need a tune with this setup, do you? Or
No.
is that a blurry line type of deal? Because you're not catless.
Not careless.
How loud do you think this is going to be? I have a feeling it's going to be kind of
Disappointing.
underwhelming. It'll sound good, though.
Yeah. It'll have like 2 decibels louder.
You think that's it?
Maybe 5. It won't be much.
She does look pretty stock. It's a start, though.
Start.
Needs a cat back.
It's not the best start, but it's a start.
That is a start. All right, so next day, the JB Weld has now dried.
Yep.
And I think we're ready.
Yep, all right, it's fired up. Per instructions of Active Autowerks with this kind of downpipe, they said to fire it up and let it warm up to temp on its own. No revving.
No revving to let the JB Weld set?
Yep.
I gotcha. I see.
No revving. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Well, it's not obnoxiously louder, but I think it is a solid 10%.
Slightly louder. Slightly.
Well, we'll let this thing warm up and then get some revs. Now we're gonna hold the RPM around 2,000 for 2 minutes, I believe it was. It's gonna be a long 2 minutes.
Listen, after this, let it cool down completely before you go drive it. And then you drive it for 5 minutes casually before you do any hard acceleration. Per instruction. Yeah. This is why you do a catless downpipe, which we do not install here. But if we did, that's what I would say to do.
You're just over a minute. You got a whole nother minute. Backing her out. Clean car. Broke the new downpipe in, took it for a quick 5-minute drive around the block, and we will park this thing, get it back to the customer, and give you guys a few revs.
Alright, so that includes how to JB weld your downpipe to your turbo on a B58. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one. Peace.
Wait, are we gonna tell them we're joking? We were
I didn't get the joking part, Trevor.
it was,
You said JB welded. We gotta pull this back in the shop.
we could take it off,